The people getting the best results from AI are not writing better prompts. They are using better skills. Everyone is talking about AI coding agents like Cloud Code, Codex, Gemini CLI, Anti-Gravity, Cursor, Windsurf. But here's what most people don't realize. The quality of your output is not just about the model. It's about the skills you give it. Just think of it like this. Imagine we have two chefs, Chef A and Chef B. Chef A has to invent recipe every single time. But on the other hand, if we talk about the Chef B, then he already have the proven recipe. Who's going to cook faster? That's exactly what a skill is. Instead of making AI figure everything out from scratch, you are giving it a recipe that already works. That's why I recently started using terminalskill.io. So, as you already know that I talk about different platforms like MCP Market and other skills, but this is my personal favorite that I'm using since last few weeks. So, to check this out, what you have to do is you have to simply search for terminalskills.io, and this is the website, which is pretty cool, I guess. And if you want to check out skills here, then you have to simply click on this browse registry. But here you can check out that it has more than 1000 plus skills and 1,73,000 plus installs and 10 plus categories. And the best part, my personal favorite, is that when you click here, then you can simply browse the skills according to the category. Here, like documents, business, development, data, AI, marketing, productivity, design, automation, DevOps, content research. And if you simply click on this use case, which is my personal favorite, I can say that you can see here the real world use cases. So you can simply check out here. And if I click on any use case, I am here in the development. And when I go down, so this is the use case which is you saw in multiple reels videos as well, that build a multi-agent cloud code team. You have saw this, and simply what you have to do, you have to simply click on this button and you will be here. So it has the two skills stack. You can check out here out the quality, and simply you have to install this by copy this command, and then you can check the situation, and along with that skill used in the team, you can check out from here. Then what are the steps, you can check out that as well. Like step one is to define the team and plan. It has a case-based study as well, that Raj starts with a deep interview to clarify requirements. So you can check out here that first is a deep interview, then here architect agent will design it, and then we have the parallel execution. You can check out here front end, back end, and QA testing. So all three agent work simultaneously, and you can check out here. And then what will be the output? Then step three, and you can go further from here. And it has the entire problem, and along with that, you have the results as well with the screenshot. So what Raj shipped, you can check out here. Then key takeaways from here. So this is a great website, I can say. And as this is one of my secret gems I'm using since last few weeks, as mentioned. So the future is not about memorizing prompts. It's about building reusable systems. By the way, मेरी कुछ personal favorite skills भी हैं. I have few personal favorite skills as well from this platform, which is terminalskills.io, जो कि मेरा बहुत जो टाइम है मोस्टली टाइम बचाती है, एंड मैं उनको डेली बेसिस पे यूज करता हूँ. आई यूज इट ऑन अ डेली बेसिस एज इट saved a lot of time. So if you want a video on that, then I can create a dedicated video for that. So stay tuned.